Welcome to ShortView Trading. This is your morning market hit for Monday the 6th of April. What matters today and this week for traders? Markets have remained relatively calm on Friday and overnight in Asian trading, with the S&P being down slightly on Friday, 1% and change. It's made all those losses back and more overnight in Asia. With that, the markets remain range bound in that key range of recent trading sessions. That is 2400 to 2640, as we've been articulating in recent days. And as you can see on the Fibonacci chart of the S&P 500 in front of you now, key Fibonacci levels have topped and tailed this range. The 38.2% as resistance and the 23.6% as support, with a similar situation in the Nasdaq. And markets are also of the view that governments are starting to get on top of this health situation. In Italy and Spain over the weekend, the number of new cases and deaths has been lower than it was at its peak last week and the prior week, whilst the Trump administration is talking about seeing light at the end of the tunnel. But of course, there's a saying in markets that you should buy on the rumour, sell on the fact. And in that respect, markets have been pricing in this expectation of a peak. And added to that, in the wave three of selling, the factor and reason and narrative for the pullback in that wave three is often different from what we had in wave one. So in wave one, it was health and the virus. And in wave three, that narrative is likely to evolve. Over and above that, if you look at the map, the road map we've been showing you of the 1987, 2008 and 1929 great stock market crashes. By this stage, day 32, in two of those three instances, the market was already beginning to roll over. See 1987 and the 2008 examples. So as articulated last week, the risks remain to the downside. For full detail on how we're playing this market, please see today's daily rag, available to subscribers and on the website. So what are we watching this week? Well, very similar to last week, anything from policymakers is utterly critical, added to which the stress in the financial system must be watched closely as to whether it deteriorates or improves. Over and above that, of course, the price action is key, particularly in relation to are we following that 87 and 2008 roadmap. Over and above that, key macro data is very light today, Monday, whilst later in the week it's more critical with some US and Chinese data out, including CPI and Michigan confidence out of the States, and probably Chinese new lending on Friday, albeit it's never clear exactly which day that's coming out on. So that's it from us. That's your morning market hit for Monday the 6th of April. Please do subscribe on YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter and or Facebook. Thank you for listening and stay safe.